This is team 8086Y. Our code is 1C31NV. You can see that next to the timer on the right-hand side on our sign. Why are you showing the ladder? All right.
Begin the programming skills roll in 3, 2, 1.
Hog!
Oh, kind of fun.
All right. This code again is 1C31NV. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.
So you do have to put it more offset to the right, not in the middle.
All right, you guys good?
Also, the thing didn't come out.